Hello everyone, welcome to Thai Food Delight. Today we'll be making shrimp patties. Super crispy on the outside, this dish is great as an appetizer. To make the classic Thai seasoning paste, you will need white peppercorns, 1 cilantro roots and 2 cloves of garlic. Adding these 3 ingredients will enhance the flavor of our shrimp patties. If you have trouble finding cilantro roots in your area, you can just use cilantro stems as an alternative. Into a mortar and pestle, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of white peppercorns. Pound the white peppercorns until they become fine. Add in 2 cloves of garlic and 1 chopped cilantro roots. We're gonna pound these ingredients until we got a smooth paste like so. To get started with shrimp patties, you will need 300 grams or about 10 ounces of shrimps. These were already peeled and deveined. We're gonna take about 3 pieces of shrimps and roughly chop these shrimps. This will give a good texture to our shrimp patties. For the rest of the shrimps, we will add these into the food processor. We're gonna blend this until we got a smooth texture. Once we got something like this, we will set it aside. The next step, we're gonna make the shrimp mixture. Into the mixing bowl, add in the blended shrimps. Add in our roughly chopped shrimps. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add in our pounded ingredients. Then we're gonna give it a good mix until all the ingredients are well incorporated. After we give it a good mix for a while, you will see that the consistency of the shrimp mixture has become thicker. That means that we are ready to make shrimp patties. For the next step, we're gonna prepare the shrimp patties out of this. For this recipe, I'm using 50 grams of breadcrumbs. To begin this, we're gonna make sure to rub our hands with vegetable oil. This will prevent the shrimp mixture from sticking to our hands. For this recipe, we can make about 6 to 7 portions. For each portion, I'm gonna take about 40 grams of shrimp mixture and roll this into a shrimp ball. The next step, we're gonna make sure to pat our shrimp mixture with some breadcrumbs. Once it's evenly coated with breadcrumbs, we will gently press the middle to form the patties. For shrimp patties, I like to serve this with plum sauce. And there you have it, simple Thai shrimp patties. If you like this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.